Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. You just need to open your Instagram application and you just need to find the story of someone that you want to repost. So I have my idol creating some story here, and then you just need to go screenshot the story of your idol, and then you just need to go slide down. You just need to slide your screen into the right side, or just go click this plus button and there'll be like pop up some options here. Just go click the picture that you just screenshotted here and adjusting it to be like smaller so that the name of the account from your idol will be shown up, and then just need to go click add to your story and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.